So you got one of these, and you want to make it do this. So come onto your car with your Openflash tablet and the ECU connector that they give you for your car to connect to your tablet. Go ahead and hook it up. Alright, so when you plug it in, you're going to get a little loading screen. OS is loading. Just give it a couple minutes and it'll load your Ferrari loading screen. Okay, so we're at our loading screen. First thing we're going to want to do is go to tuning. It's going to say checking tune file. Just give it a minute and you're going to be presented with this menu. So with your first time when you have it plugged in, this is going to be highlighted red and your right will be highlighted gray. You're going to hit read to store your original tune to the tablet just in case anything goes wrong or you want to go back to the original tune in the future. Once you read it, a majority of the time these tablets don't come with the preloaded tunes, so you'll have to go inside and download them yourself, and I'll show you how to do that. And once you do that, then your right option will be available. So another thing you'll need is your calibration code, and to do this you're going to hit information. You'll be presented with this screen. You'll have a couple down, left, right, up arrows. Go ahead and hit the down arrow. And there will be your calibration code. You'll need this for the correct tunes for your car. So after you've read your original tune and have stored it, which will do automatically, just go ahead and unplug it and bring it back to your computer. Alright, so we're back at our computer. Now what we're going to want to do is go ahead and open up Google and type in Openflash. And you're just going to go right to their website. From here we're going to go to support and downloads. And in the search bar you're going to type in your calibration code. So go ahead, type in your calibration code and you will see the correct link for your car. GT86 FRS BRZ. Click that. And we're going to just scroll down. And these are your tunes. Now these are just a description. To actually download these, you'll need to scroll down a little bit more. And right here, you're going to have the link to download and install the Openflash Manager. Go ahead and click that and follow the directions. After you've installed Openflash Manager, scroll down a little bit more. And go ahead and click the please click here. Now this is going to give you the option to add it to the cart. Go ahead and do that. Fill out the remaining information, and eventually you'll be presented with this screen. Now here, these are your actual tunes that you will directly download. You have Stage 1, Stage 2, Stage 2 Plus, Stage 2 Plus E85, and the most important is this right here. This is what you're going to need for Romraider, so make sure you download this and whatever tune you're going to be running on your car. Alright, with your tune that you want installed, go ahead and open up Openflash Manager. And when it says connecting to device, just go ahead and connect your device with the cord that they give you. So once you plug it in, it's going to say identifying device. OS is loading, please wait. Just go ahead and give it a minute. So once you plugged in your tablet, all of the updates have installed. You're going to go ahead and select upload data. Once you hit that, you're going to scroll down. And here you're going to be presented with the 5 different tunes that you can have on your tablet. Now, if you don't have any tunes currently loaded on there, and you only have your original factory tune, it'll say present, and for the rest of these, it will say not present. Now, to load the tune onto the tablet, you're going to hit your folder. and save to your desktop, you're going to hit whatever tune that you downloaded. For me, it was the Stage 1 tune, which is the one that I edited for my Romraider for the popping. Once you select it, go ahead and hit open. After you load the tune, it'll say the checkbox has been corrected. Just go ahead and hit OK. Scroll down a little bit more and hit start. And this will actually download the tunes onto the flash tablet. With our tune downloaded and downloaded onto our desktop, we can go ahead and start downloading Romraider. Now, a lot of problem that people have is they accidentally download Romraider Logger, which when you download it, it's going to look like this. People get really confused because they say, oh, my Romraider doesn't look the same as yours. What's going on? I don't have an ECU setting. That's because you downloaded Romraider Logger. You're going to want to go ahead and download the Romraider ECU editor, which is this one actually. Now to do this, go ahead and go back to Google and just type in Openflash Romraider. When you do that, you'll click this link right here by support by Openflash tablet and just download Romraider editor. With Romraider downloaded, go ahead and open up the Romraider ECU editor. So this is the Romraider you're going to be looking for. You're going to have file edit, ECU definitions, view, logger. This is the correct ECU editor. This is the one we want to edit our tunes. So with it downloaded and open, we're going to go ahead and click ECU definitions, ECU definition manager. And don't worry about these. This will be blank when you open it up for the first time. Go ahead and click add. And this is where we're going to load our ECU definition. Now, a lot of people get confused where to get this, and this is this link that I told you that's going to be really important from Romraider. So go ahead and go back to your checkout, and it's going to be this link right here. Download this to your desktop. And load it here. Go to your desktop. And here is your Openflash tablet ECU editor. Load that and you'll be all set to go. Alright, with our ECU definition loaded up, go ahead and select it, hit apply and save. And we're going to head over to file, open image, and this is where you're going to have your tune saved to your desktop. It's really easy right there for us. Go ahead and open it up. Now you'll get a couple checks, a couple errors, things like that. Just go ahead and click OK. Don't worry about those. And here we are. So with this loaded up, we're going to head over to Ignition Timing Advanced, Base Timing B, and from 2200 on this first line here, we're going to adjust it to a -7 from 2200 to 4400. Now you can just hold down and select these all. They'll light up gray when you do that. Go up here to set and just hit -8 and hit set. When you do that, it'll put it as -7.85. Just leave it like that. Once you do that, you're going to go to File, Save, name your tune whatever you want, and hit Save. Make sure you hit no on this. And you are all set to go. Go ahead and go back to Openflash, load your tune, and go hear the pops. Now when you're driving and you want the car to pop, there definitely is a sweet spot. So in order to get to that sweet spot, you're going to give it some throttle up to about 3,500 RPMs. Let off the throttle and engage it again just a little bit. And you get your backfire. At higher RPMs, It's actually insane how loud these